Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you how to cover this background, see before and after. So I'm going to show you every process and how to do it, and it doesn't take much time, and you need to just pay attention and follow my steps well. So by the way, I'm Wake, subscribe to my page and just give a comment and like. So this is the image and I'm going to show you everything. So first, only thing I'm going to do is that we need to duplicate it to Control J. Okay, to hit Control J, sorry, or we can make it shortcuts here, duplicate and hit OK. Sorry. So when you're done with it, the only thing we're going to do is that we're going to use the pen tool, this pen tool, the first one. So we're going to just cut around here. So let me just make it to this side like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me just go back and do it and just make it nice. The image is not too clear, but just want you to show you how to just work with it. Okay, so let's say so when you're done with it like this, okay, I just need to do something to show you how to make the process just work so easy for you. So when done with it, just hit Control J to cut that only side, and let's make this. Okay, have you seen it? And let me just make this one. So only thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Smart to this one, and we're going to make the width sorry strength 100%, and make this one the hardness 100%. Okay, so I don't want it to make it to look like this, but I just wanted to make it like this so that I can just work on it. Okay, so only thing we're going to do is that we're going to hold shift. Okay, so let's see before and after. And here too I'm going to do the same thing, but here I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to make it like this. Going to start from here. Okay, and hit Control J and Control T and hold shift and stretch it. Okay, so let's check the before and after. So every single this, I just want to show you how I just did it. So when you're done with it, okay, when you're done with this one, make sure here too we're going to cover everything. So when you're done with it, just make sure you do the same thing to this place. Okay, so we're going to make it here, Control J, Control J, and Control plus T, and hold Shift. Okay, so that's great. So this here we need to cover, and here too we need to cover. So I'm going to add them together to select this one and hold Shift and click there, the top there, and click Control plus E to add them together. So when you're done with it, just duplicate it again like this. Control J, another Control J. When you're done with it, here's the place we're going to just cover it. So try to circle it like this, okay, and make sure you drag it to make it like this. Don't think about this one. I'm going to show you how to do it. The same process. Okay, so make it into the side and hit Control J, Control T again. Boom. Okay. And we're going to choose this mixer brush to and slow this down like this, and make sure you make this one hardness 0, and we're going to choose the same color here, and make sure you will make here empty like this, okay. So then we're going to use this to paint this side. So this is so easy for you to just do the same, and I really love this process. It doesn't take much time for you to just kill this beat. Okay, have you seen it? And the top here too, you're going to select around here and hold shift and drag it like this, okay, and make sure here to make the same thing. So here, and just crop this side like this, Control J, and make sure you paint this side. Use the mixer brush to cover it like this. So that's it. So guys, check it before and after. So that's it. Subscribe to my page and like and comment, and see you for the next video. Bye.